A Roof Maxx treatment is a two-step service designed to extend the life of an asphalt shingle roof. It involves two main components: a roof tune-up, followed by application of the Roof Maxx product. Here's what to expect when you book your treatment. Roof Maxx is a restoration option for asphalt shingles that helps restore flexibility as they age and dry out. Every treatment starts with an in-person evaluation. The dealer checks whether your roof is structurally sound and whether your shingles are still in good enough condition for restoration to make sense. If your roof is a strong candidate for Roof Maxx, the first part of the service is the roof tune-up. This is where the dealer gets the roof ready for the treatment step and handles small issues like nail pops or replacing damaged shingles. Proactively addressing these problems before treatment can help prevent them from leading to major damage like rot and mold over time. Next, the Roof Maxx product is applied across the roof surface. This is a safe, all-natural solution that your shingles absorb to replace the petrochemical oils they naturally lose over time. It takes your shingles just a couple of hours to fully absorb the Roof Maxx solution. This restores their flexibility and durability to help them last longer and resist the elements. Shingles that are treated with Roof Maxx have been proven to be better at handling seasonal temperature changes, wind, and hail. After application, the dealer cleans up and walks you through what was done. We'll also give you an idea of when you should schedule future treatments. Some shingles treated with Roof Maxx can enjoy up to 15 extra years of life with applications once every 5 years. Others may only benefit from a single treatment or two. Each treatment can extend shingles by up to 5 years. Compared to replacement, the biggest difference is the experience. Replacement is loud, messy, and can take days. A Roof Maxx visit is typically much lighter touch, with far less disruption. It can also cost up to 80% less than full replacement. If you want to know what Roof Maxx can do for your roof, contact a dealer near you and have your roof evaluated to find out if it's a strong candidate for restoration. Many homeowners who choose restoration have successfully extended the life of their existing shingles and put costly replacement off for years.